Hi, I'm Lizzy, and today we'll do a gentle stretching session. No rush, no pressure, just to feel light in the body and relax. Stretching is a moment when we can slow down and listen to ourselves. Take it easy, allow yourself to move slowly and mindfully. Every stretch is not about force but about softness. Imagine your muscles waking up, becoming more flexible and alive. You may notice it gets easier to hold the pose as the body gradually opens. Stretching helps not only the muscles, it also releases fatigue and brings back lightness and clarity to your mind. Pay attention to the sensations. A gentle pull means your body is working. Pain is a signal to stop. Here it's important to respect your limits. It feels like a soft dialogue with yourself. I'm here, I feel, I relax. And most importantly, stretch not for the result, but for the process itself. In this moment, you give yourself care, and your body will surely thank you for it. Breathe deeply. With every inhale, find more space inside, and with every exhale, let go of tension. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, chat me by the link, and see you very soon in the next videos.